Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a senior data analyst at Addend Analytics. I am also been working as a Microsoft Community super user. Today in this video, we will see how you can add description to the table names or column names or measure names. So usually we work with so many powerBI reports in which we import so many tables, or sometimes we create some calculated tables, we create some calculated columns or measures. So we can also add some description to that. So in this video we are going to particularly see how we can do that. Also, this has been used, like let's assume currently you are working on any project, but in future that project has been handed over to someone else. So how they can understand what are the steps you have followed or what the particular table is referencing to. So in that case, these kind of things really help. So let's directly see. So you can see on the screen on the right side, I have imported some demo tables. You can see we have the calendar table, we have the calendar function table, and when I navigate over them, we are not able to see the description. It only shows us the name, storage mode and data refreshed. But on the other hand, if I navigate to the categories table, then a separate row for the description is visible. So we will see how to add this. So to achieve this, we can achieve this using the TMDL view. So what you have to do is you just have to navigate to the TMDL view. You can create a new script. Whenever you do it first time, you will get a blank interface. So now I will show you first how we can add the description to a table. We have already discussed what is TMDL view and how to explore your semantic model in earlier videos. You can go to Addend Analytics YouTube channel and you can find out the videos there. Now coming back to our video, we want to add the description to the calendar table. So what we have to do is we just have to select that and we can drag and drop into this blank space. Or second way is you can simply create a new script. You have to right click on the table name, whatever you have to like add description. You have to click on this script TMDL2 option, the first row, and then you can click on this script tab. So you can see without dragging and drop, you are able to see the script. So these are the two ways how we can explore the table. Now coming back, you can select either of the script. Let's delete this one and keep only one. So this is our table name. So now we have to come over this screen. You will find out this create or replace option. What you have to do is you have to click on this, firstly click on the tab button so that the indentation can be aligned with the table name. So you can see here we are getting the table name, which is calendar. So this is the syntax. Just above this we have to add 3 backslash, and then you can write whatever description you want to add to this table. So let's add, this is a calendar table. Once this is done, what you have to do is you have to click on this apply button. So on the top left corner you will be able to see this apply button. You just have to click on this, and once the changes have been applied, you will be able to see this change applied to the model. And just in case if you have made any mistake, then this in the problem section you will get some errors, and then you have to like resolve this error. As the output, you can see the changes has been successfully applied. Now we navigate to the calendar table. You can see the description is visible. So the description says this is a calendar table. As a alternative, let's say I want to change the description for these categories. So right now the current script shows me that the description has been added as a categories table. So what we can do is we can simply edit this text. We don't have to do much. And again you just have to click on this apply button, and now when you navigate to this categories table, you will be able to see that the description has been changed. So this is about how we can add description to a table. But now let's assume you have some columns, or let's say you have created any calculated column and you want to add a description to it, so that developer or in future you don't have to go and check the complete measures or complete DAX formula, like what that column is actually showing. So just for an example, let's say I want to add description to this category ID. So what I will do is I will just click on that and scroll it to the blank space, and a new script will get created. Earlier we are adding the description above the table name, but this time what we have to do is we have to add that just above the column name. Now we can simply click on this apply button, and again you can see changes have been applied. And now when I navigate to this column name, then you can see the changes have been applied and the description shows that this is a ID column. So these are the ways we can add the description to a table name and to the column name. Now you can simply drop a comment if you have any doubt, and you can also try this method on the measures. You have to follow the same way. You have to drag and drop the measures, you have to add the description and click on the apply button. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to drop it into the comment, and don't forget to like and share the video with your colleagues or with your mates who are also learning the new concepts of Power BI. And don't forget to subscribe Addend Analytics channel for more such insightful videos.